Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Starkiller minifigure. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The majority of the parts come from this Knight of Ren. You're going to want to take the legs, the arms and hands, and optionally the helmet and head. The torso that I'm using comes from Fennec Shand. She's been in a few sets now, so she should be relatively okay to find. For his helmetless appearance, I think the best head to use would probably be from Lex Luthor. However, this has been in a lot of sets, so you probably have one and don't even know it. Finally, the hair that I'm using for the helmetless appearance comes from Moff Gideon. However, I think this has also been on a Superman villain. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm very happy with how this minifigure has turned out. I've seen a lot of creators using Fennec's torso, so I thought I would go ahead and join them. I also had some trouble finding what helmet would be best, but I think the one I've chosen comes closest. If you have any ideas on what I should do next, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed and you enjoyed this, maybe you could. If you would like to watch any more of my minifigure tutorials, feel free to click on one of the end cards now. For example, seeing my Kyle Katarn video might be a good one.